Yes, and welcome back. The program now as it is hot, and we'll still discuss the issue and what we talk about today. And waiting judiciary they do safe, and we don't also break and down say, look, the three arms of government get their responsibilities. We don't talk say the executive now their responsibility now to do it. Implement the law, and why the legislators are to make the law, and then judiciary to ensure say that law then pass them into effectiveness. We also get Barrister Justice and Iwebu is still there for us, and this matter is still very much on. I will go switch over to the next one. We get to do with the court and this way play out for Abia State on top of the governor of Abia State, Chukudi. So throw that one down.
They talk say the High Court when they for inside Abuja come out, come talk say based on the case when they carry come against the governor of Abia State, Oga Okezie Ikpazu, say the time not reach for them to come out for inside that office when he sit down on top, based on say the receipt when he carry come as in tax clearance, as he take submit and give the PDP people for 2014, and say some kind monkey hand and K-leg enter inside the arrangement. But based on saying get the right to appeal, and you know already go appeal the particular judgment. But when we come they check out, some people come out, come they talk say the judiciary somehow it be like say sometimes if they look issue well, they know they look and reach down. Sometimes they allow emotion, they cover their eye before they discharge their particular responsibility. We go ask our Ogbonge lawyer to say, make him tell us what the judiciary they do as it take concern this particular matter. Barrister, no need to even talk too much about this particular issue.
No, we don't already table on
No,
that,
you know say when you carry matter come to court, the court is not a Father Christmas to give you waiting you know as. You understand? The court go look at your case this side, look at it this side. Whichever way the person where they sit that time, the learned man or the wise man,
Very true.
see that time, the way he see him, that's so he go decide. Wetin I talk, the way he see him. That's now why we say, for lawyers, when we conclude our matter, you get what they call written address. And in that your written address, the lawyer this side go formulate what they call issues for determination based on the matter where they ground.
Very true.
The other lawyer go formulate his own issue for determination. You address them. This one address her. You back them up with cases and all the rest. You submit them to the judge. The judge go read the two and see the one where you go agree with and the one where you don't agree with. Based on his own opinion. That one now why in the wisdom of our law and our court, we get 3 layers of court. We get the what we call the court of first instance. We get appeal court. We get Supreme Court. In the court of first instance, like this one now, what happen? Now one person, one judge, the wise man, where they sit. As he don't give in judgment, he no stop there. The person where the judgment no favor, go first talk say, I don't like the waiting this man talk. You don't see him well.
Very true.
I want contest him.
Very true.
You go carry and go.
Oga, I beg, you go need to relax for us because we get one major call we need to collect now. We got Anthony from where they call us from Norway. Good morning, Anthony.
Yeah,
Anthony, good morning. Would they hear you?
Yeah, good morning, Ogan Kube.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Ogan Kube.
Would they hear you? Good morning.
We
Right
greet
on.
you, Oga Anthony.
Yeah. Oga Justice at the hello because you dey hit the matter as you suppose make you dey hit them.
Good morning.
Because I don't live for Poland for almost 5 years. Some people were there for government. They appoint somebody as Minister of Transportation. One day when in there for conference they talk. One journalist see wristwatch weighing way for your hand. You see say that wristwatch it costs little big money compared to how much weigh in the end. And that watch, he no show the wristwatch before he enter office. After investigation, they find out say that wristwatch he get them the time where he don't sit down for office. Then come carry and go court. At the end of it, before even they carry and go court, the person will be premier for Poland. Tell us say make you go down from that seat. So he come up from the seat of Minister of Transport, go court. After everything, he no go back to that seat again. That is number one.
Because
This
of
is to
wristwatch,
show
oh.
the law dey
Wristwatch,
work.
yeah.
It don't matter who bring the case come. So far, the person somebody don't commit something will not be how it's supposed to be. Only wristwatch, because of wristwatch, they carry him come up for his seat as Minister of Transportation. So, but for Nigeria, you go see say somebody sit down as the Minister of Finance, $2 billion they miss. If sit down there. You know when we come out. If you tell him, he go tell you say the money lost, you don't lost. So who they investigate these ones where they say they carry big money like that come up from Nigerian account? Nigerian masses they suffer. Then they go tell me say law they work for Nigeria. This kind of thing I don't know. Sometimes if I did they watch this Wazobia, I dey pity people who they inside that country because how you go tell me say somebody get house where they say they tell them say minimum wage is like 18,000. So from 18,000, you go pay NEPA bill where light no day.
Pay house rent.
Nobody they watch all those ones. So I don't know this country. I don't, you know, una will be lawyer. Make una begin this try to open mouth. They shout. Journalists they shout. People from television like this. Make una they shout because now from the shouting,
Oga Anthony.
They go reach their ear say the thing what they do. We don't like her.
Oga Anthony, thank you very, very much. We don't. That is we like us to drop the matter and then also bring them as they take play out for other obodos compared to the way they take play out here. We get Oga Bobby. Oga Bobby, they call us from Amsterdam.
From France.
Okay, from France. Oga Bobby, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Bobby.
So just like the way that guy called from nowhere, I do addition to the whole topic.
Okay.
The thing is say our journalists need to do a proper work. They investigate the matters. Not to say left for only police. More likely for Europe here, Western world, say most cases police don't even know about this. Now journalists go do investigation, go come find out see what these public officers
they do.
Because police they more concerned on what they happen for street. So now when journalists do investigation, come carry the matter corner.
The police go pick them up from there.
Police go involved in the matter. But Nigeria won't be say with the journalists to both I don't know who I'll call them, then they put eye down. They look at these people then. Saraki when they carry go office so definitely I not say yes the cases the charges when they press against them not true. No Nigerian will go dispute that case against them because the things when they don't do for granted is too much. You they get me now? So you need to say Buhari come to bring change to fight corruption. It will start from the top. If we not start from the top, because you want to start from the bottom, it go be like bias. You understand me now? So start from the top they go. We will see how it will be. The fight will continue. I beg who support this government to fight corruption.
Oga Bobby, thank you very much for this your important contribution. This time from France and no be Amsterdam. We get somebody where they call us all the way from Calabar. Oga Igo. Oga Igo, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Oga Igo, good morning.
I better reduce the volume of your television so that we go fit hear you.
Oga Igo, you still there?
Like say the network no go gree and making contribution. I beg if you want call us, reduce the volume of your television and make we fit hear you clear. Barrister, you don't already talk this matter clear. Say okay, when you go before the court, the judge can't look the matter, can't do say na like this the thing go, and you get right to appeal. And you already go appeal that particular judgment. But when we look at first, now they talk say the particular tax receipt when he carry come, what when we say for like 3 years, say be like saying pay everything on the same day. Now the question now say. Shey say he know they pay the thing before or he dey pay am before or the one when he get lost they can't give a new one because what if we explain this one when people when be say then they high for government or they get aspiration to enter government the case when be say na normal woman being the thing suppose dey affect ordinary Nigerian na the thing come dey affect them shey no be say monkey hand don dey enter inside this arrangement.
You know say for law the way we dey talk am na two-edged sword. You no get one way traffic.
Yeah, exactly.
Now, why you see the woman will be the symbol of justice closing eye. He carry knife here, he carry scale here.
Yeah.
Now, like you ask proper and better question. You get what you would call evasion of tax. People where they evade tax, where they pay tax. Na criminal offense. You understand? Now, like you say, you require tax clearance for like 3 years, 3 past years. If the question there be say, Moku talk and say, in they pay in tax before and in tax clearance loss.
Barrister, you no go vex. You go need to freeze again. Just pause. Make we collect this call from Madam Patience. They call us from Benue. Madam Patience, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing?
We dey fine. We dey fine.
Chukwudi.
We dey hear you, Madam Patience. Good morning.
Good morning. The way we are we never get like for 2 weeks, and I didn't class, we never see. So, I don't know how to continue. I just try my luck whether I go get to.
Okay,
what
Madam
is the
Patience.
topic?
Madam Patience, you dey hear us well.
I dey hear you now.
Okay, we dey discuss the kind cases when we say we don dey see for inside obodo Nigeria. For example, the one against Ike Ekweremadu and the Senate president. We dey ask say, shey the judiciary dem dey really dey do their work or dem dey dance to the tune of some people wey dey government?
We know now say they dance to the tune. The thing why they tell them be say, that's the way they do am now. Go no say, maybe 2019 no go there for that seat again. As if take 3 others, now so they go take 3 times. Same person they do anything, make it dey careful. Because tomorrow, that's the way they do person. That person goes, another group go do am for you. Look at that of their state. You know, pay tax, you pay tax. Ike Ekweremadu have been there for how many years? Saraki have been governor for how many years? And senator for how many years? Why is it now they are using forged certificate? They just want to remove them there by all means because when they were elected as a senator and the deputy senate president, somebody from their party said, but they will stay for only 6 months, they come out. Since that time, they have been doing everything to make sure say they come out there. It's not good. Now, what do they teach our children? Then they said they fight corruption. This is part of corruption. When a judge is dancing on the tune of the person where they rule or the cabas, and he's not doing the right thing we're supposed to do, where are we heading to? See hungry, they harm everybody. I not get light. You know, nothing at all is moving.
Madam
Now,
Patience.
certificate say this, certificate say that. Now we go still the fight for Nigeria.
Madam Patience, thank you very much. You don't drop your own voice on top of the matter and how the situation of the country will be. We get another caller where they call us. Good morning. Hello, good morning.
Okay, Emeka, you dey there?
Emeka.
Yeah, good morning, Chukwudi and Nkubi,
Good morning, Emeka.
and our justice.
Good morning.
President.
We dey hear you right on.
Our judiciary are doing nothing. Or let me say, they are doing little or nothing to help the situation. Why did I say this? I have more lawyer friends. Each time we discuss as friends, we always open up to each other and the other. They used to say, see, it's just money. Just come and bribe me, give me a certain amount of money, and then I will cover your shame. You understand? So you see where the priority today now? Money. And me as a person, I believe there's a certain level a person will reach in life. He go think say, money is no longer the issue. But then let the priority of people be my priority. Let judgment prevail. So judiciary are doing nothing. Maybe they don't go bribe them now with money. And they told me about a friend, a judge in court, who they found 2.7 billion naira in his account. How did he get this money? How did he get this money? So let them take their eyes away from money and do their job. Not the person will go thief and not the person thief. And then you go come begin to cover them again for person who commit crime.
Very true.
So where do you expect, where are we going from here if we continue like this?
Okay.
So let them sit up and do their job.
Very true. Okay, Emeka, thank you very much for this your
important
important contribution.
Thank
You
you
don't talk
very
and say
much,
maybe
Emeka.
judiciary, make them sit up, make them do their job. Just like every other arm or organ of government. We could just wrap up this particular discussion because I know say this next one we get to do with EFCC versus Ayodele Fayose, and as something when we say I know say you could get plenty things to talk. Now as the governor don't go to appeal, we hope say the 3 wise men when they sit down for there, they go discuss the matter the way when they take discuss am. When the other, if you know, you go Supreme Court and everything will continue like that. Now, make I just look this matter now, we'll just finish and so that when we go break, come back, we'll move to the next one. Now, in the case of, say, the court come at talk, say this particular thing, when they talk, say it happen, the thing happen. And you reach Supreme Court and talk, say the thing happen. And the person when carry second for the PDP, now he go continue from that particular thing. You notice, say, the thing don't create one kind of problem because now in people, in party men, now he carry this matter, enter inside court.
If you remember, the Amechi we were talking about today, the Minister for Transport today, now so he become governor.
Yes.
Very true.
You understand? And so many other, it has happened in Nigeria. But the thing there is this. If actually they discover, say, the thing not true, like you asked, what will be the proper punishment?
Okay, what will be?
Are we talking about forgery? Or are we talking about him paying his tax clearance once as at the same time when he was supposed to be splitted over years?
Okay, okay.
And if that is the situation, is there any proviso or caveat that will say, okay, if you do not pay the previous years, the most important thing is that you have paid? I don't know whether you understand me.
Yes.
So it is a technical issue. You understand me?
True.
So I think it is what will also leave for the three wise men to decide.
Barrister, we will all leave am for the three wise men to decide, and we go leave our people when they control us from behind the scene to carry us inside break. When we go break, come back, we will decide on the final topic. EFCC, Ayodele Fayose. Don't go anywhere. Now still, as Ide, you in the house, now you go complete am. You must complete am. Who could be help you and complete am?
You don't feel complete, huh?
Person no fit beg you to do something again. As it hot from here where we dey so now the final bus stop on top of the show today. Now we dey see Ezugwu Chukwudi Nkubi and our ogbonge visitor Barrister Justice who wey go dey inside studio, and we dey discuss wetin the judiciary dey do sef. We don't talk the first one, the one we get to do with the allegation of forgery when they carry put for the house of the Senate there. We discuss the other one, Abia State Governor. Now we don't enter one when we say plenty Nigerians still dey debate this one for every angle. EFCC versus Ayodele Fayose. Barrister, you have the floor now. You go start from the beginning, reach the end. Look this situation as EFCC take stand up, freeze the account of a serving governor when they enjoy immunity without court order. If I ask the question I want to ask now, I go to verse more, and I don't want to because if I verse Nkubi, he go hear am for my hand. He go hear am for my hand.
Well, what happened be say, remember that's why I say the first time when I come, I just dey laugh. Wetin we dey experience for Nigeria now, wetin I call drama. At 1 cent 1, at 2 cent 2, at 3, it will continue until we get to the last fight. But the truth be saying, it no matter who they involve. You know, say I don't talk am before. Say all of us they equal before the law. Now, the issue of immunity or no immunity. The immunity restrain any law enforcement agent from tampering with serving governors and their deputies. That is bringing any criminal allegation against them. But I don't think EFCC has done that. What EFCC did was to frozen or put a restriction in his account. But the problem I have there is this. I don't know whether you have it on your internet. It is on the internet, it's on the net. The letter that Zenith Bank wrote to Ayodele Fayose, if you read that letter very well, the Zenith Bank said that EFCC, by virtue and provision of Section 38(1) of the EFCC Act 2004, empowers them to put a restriction in Ayodele Fayose's account. But when people like us study that particular section, it is not true.
So which means that section was only talking about that EFCC has the omnibus provision without delay or without any form of restriction to investigate and get any information from any individual or authority at any particular point in time. Okay, getting information.
Yes, thereby complying with, as it stands today, the Freedom of Information Act. So I did not see anywhere that particular section cited or quoted in that letter empowered EFCC to frozen Ayodele Fayose.
But there is an act in EFCC under the EFCC law that also gives them the right to we give them the right to do it. To also froze the account of anybody, be it the governor, be it the deputy.
By what means?
Okay, by most
by law. Let me tell you one thing.
What means?
You see why some of us must fight against some of these things? Because you don't know who will be there tomorrow. That Fayose is a governor today, I might be a governor tomorrow. It might be you, it might be you, it might be your brother. So remember, that's why I said what I said before. When you see the truth, say it, because you don't know who will benefit from it, and you don't know who to work against. You don't do certain things without court order. I don't know whether you understand me. And that's why I said, if you remember, I said from the beginning, waiting the lawyer, they call ab initio, say, no matter how delay or how slow it might seem to be, you must follow the rule of law. What would they call due process?
Very true.
Why being in a haste? You know, certain things you're doing begin to give a body language that you are targeting some people.
Some selected people.
You understand
Just
the
as
thing?
what
And
people
maybe
are
you are
doing
doing your job, but it now depends on how you are
Going
now
about
doing
it,
it. Whatever we're doing is
what
what
doing
doing well. That is what we are saying. In as much as they cannot do such thing to him, the same way they cannot do certain things to me or to you what be here. Because you are a Nigerian. The same law that covers it's the same law that covers you. The only difference here is that he's a governor now. He's enjoying what we call immunity. But the issue there is this. The due process of law must be followed. The other day, we had on newspaper and everywhere that the house of somebody, is this senator, former, was it Albanikoro, was invaded, they scattered everywhere. And, you see, let me tell you one thing. You don't need to be violent in trying to do your job. Do your job and do it perfectly. When you come out any day, anytime, you can stand your ground, stand your feet and say, I know what I am doing. I know the onions of my profession. I know the onions of my job. So at anywhere you're taking, let me tell you, like that woman said, the only thing in life that is permanent is what? Change.
Very true.
It may be the next 4 years. It may be the next 8 years. But the change must do what? Come.
Very true.
So when you leave, today if we see Jonathan will enter the same aircraft with people like us. Very true.
Yes.
If I see him tomorrow night, if I decide to call him His Excellency, I call him. If I decide to greet him, I greet him.
Yeah.
But formerly, when he was president, if he's coming to Lagos State, they will grant the whole activities in Lagos State.
Very true.
Yeah.
But he's no longer there now.
Barrister, because of time, you know what we go do? We go put full stop on top of this particular one, and we go continue the discussion. Another day, we go give you invitation, and we hope say you go accept them. I go like make we leave Nigerians with one important thing when you talk. Just like what Madam Patience talk, the only constant thing in life na change. And the example when our Ogbonge barrister don't leave. Before, former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, if they come Lagos, then they grant everything, not be just for grant, even for air. They go allow say make some people even dey where then they so that thing go fit come. But today, him be just like ordinary Nigerian citizen. If we not do well today, wetin go happen tomorrow? Another person go to that particular position one day, and if he put us for inside wahala. As Nigerians, make we dey do everything to you see say our government when they committed to ensuring change when go better all of us, the thing do am for all of us. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come up plenty smoke. Barrister, we thank you say you carry waka come on top of our show.
Thank you very much.
I no go allow you shake Nkubi this final handshake because when I tell am say make him tell our people say we dey come back, he no talk am. Okay, Nkubi, oya, you can do it now. You see injustice.
Leave that hand alone.
No, make I shake am because they say injustice somewhere is a threat to justice everywhere.
You see,
but before we go, before we go, make I tell Nigerians one thing. We should begin to leave party and work for Nigeria.
That's the party and work for Nigeria.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.